See in 100 seconds double pointers. The main reason double pointers exist when a function needs to allocate memory and hand it back to the caller. Star PTR equals malloc. That changes where the caller's pointer points. Double star PTR sets the actual value. The pointer chain. X is 42. P points to X. P points to page's 2 levels of indirection. Star P gives you X. Double star PP follows both pointers and also gives you X. All three print 42. Data starts as NULL. Pass its address to allocate. The function mallocs and stores 99 through the double pointer. Back in main, data now points to valid memory with 99 inside. The double pointer let the function modify the caller's pointer. (42) 3 ways, then 99 from the allocated memory. Double pointers, 1 extra level of indirection. Next up, void pointers.